the LTC Nimbleback. I've heard quite a bit about this board and I thought I would try it out. I ordered the 65% Nimbleback with medium hopes. It's roughly the same price range as the RK68 at $54.99 on Amazon, and it has prime one-day shipping, so points for no group buy. The box doesn't come with anything fancy, just the basic, the puller, the cable, and the board. A cool feature about this board is that it's actually programmable, both the lights and macro keys, through the LTC software. The software is far less sketchy than some others that I've seen, which is kinda nice. All the different modes that you can access through the software are also accessible through hotkeys that are laid out in the manual, so it might be better to just skip the software step, but that's up to you. The manual also boasts a 60-day money-back guarantee, as well as an 18-month warranty for quality control issues. Good work, LTC. This board's stock is pretty good, I'm not going to complain. But where this board really shines is when it comes to modding, which I would assume most people would do when they get this board. Video on my modding process more in depth coming soon. Overall, I think this board is pretty nice, and for the price range it seems to pack more of a bang for your buck than the other options. It doesn't come with any fancy keycaps or switches, but there's definitely a lot of potential here for modding, and that's the main reason I would recommend this as a budget enthusiast board. I'll leave you off with a sound test between the stock and the current modded version that I have, but you know, it's a work in progress. Let me know what you think about the difference. That's all I've got for you today. I'll leave you off with some typing ASMR with the Yunzi KC68, my current daily driver. Have a good one.